Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you this Succulent World Lego set. This says for ages 14 plus, but I'll be honest, she is 8 and she did most of this on her own. She just needed a little bit of help from her dad, but you're going to get both of the figures. Each bag is going to be numbered so you know exactly what you're working with, and they're going to come with booklets for your instructions. So this one, the pig, has 226 pieces and the wolf has 248 pieces. She completed these in probably like maybe an hour and a half, if not a little less or a little more time. This is what the completed pieces look like. They're super cute, very sturdy. What I like about this one is the leaves on it can actually be moved, so you can kind of make it a wider or more sleek plant, whatever you choose. But these are so fun. These would make great gifts for kids who love to build, love these kind of characters. So thank you for watching.